Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified pre-owned 2019 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number X811XX. 24,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Stellar black metallic in color. To be Cadillac certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The XT4 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats. Seats also massage, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, with the forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. The leather wrapped steering wheel is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the automatic transmission, very large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning with heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. That automatic transmission. Redundant controls for the infotainment system. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Head, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this XT4 has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 237 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.